Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to unblock Amazon Pay Later account. First of all, open Amazon app on your device. Here, go to Amazon Pay. From the options available, select Amazon Pay Later. This is where you can view your transactions and repayment history. By tapping on Menu from the main page, go to Settings. From the bottom, select Customer Service. Scroll down and select Talk to Us. Make sure you have cleared all outstanding dues before trying to unblock this mode. Here, tap on Amazon Pay. Then click on Amazon Pay Later. From the three options here, select How can I repay for Amazon Pay Later. After this, click on Continue to Customer Service. Provide your phone number here. In the end, tap on Call Me Now. Refresh your page and select Amazon Pay. So here, your account will get unblocked. This is how you can unblock Amazon Pay Later accounts. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.